Hey guys, what it is, I'm Tori Torres and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing what I like to call a blue raspberry or sherbet sort of look, so if you're down, keep watching. I'm going to start by priming the lids like I always do.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down.
Next I'm going to take some setting powder and just set the eyes real quick. Today we're going to start out using the small packing end of my Fenty Beauty brush and dipping it into this shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And we're just going to take this and put it on the outer corner of the eye.
Go crazy, berserker.
Show them.
We're also going to take a little bit and just drag it out into the crease. Next, I'm going to take my Lime Crime Aquarium pencil brush and I'm going to dip into the red shade from this palette to make more of a raspberry shade on my eye because I don't have an eyeshadow that is like a true raspberry color. I'm then taking my Fenty Beauty brush again with the fluffy brush end of it and blending this out.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder.
I'm just going to use this to dip a little bit more into the red shade to make a deeper color.
I killed it, it's murder.
Now that this is a truer shade of raspberry, I'm going to take my Sephora fluffy brush and just dip into some of Charm from Jeffree Star's Androgyny palette to just blend out the crease. I'm just going to use a clean brush to clean up the top. Now I'm going to take a tiny bit of concealer just to make a cut crease. I'm just setting this with some powder. Then with the clean side of my packing brush, I'm going to dip into this sort of metallic white color in the Brazil palette for the inner part of the cut crease.
We're gonna burn it down.
Oh my god, holy shit, look at how much fallout there is on this. What actually just happened? Can you see this? Can you see like what's happening right now? The amount of fallout on this? I don't even know if you can see it. Holy shit. God.
It's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it.
I literally need a brush. I don't know, like, what is happening? Oh my god. This is really everywhere. It's in my hair. Oh my god. This actually has a gold, like, reflect on it, so instead, I think I'm gonna layer it with shade 169 from Kiko. It's like a white sparkly eyeshadow, which is what I thought the one in the Brazil palette would be like. Obviously not. I'm just going to go back in with this brush and clean up the crease.
It's murder.
This is it for the eyes for now, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be back for face makeup. Now that I'm back, we're going to be doing foundation today with the same Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
And blending it out with the same Fenty Beauty foundation brush.
I killed it, it's murder.
Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer and putting that underneath the eye. Now I'm just setting the base.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder,
Go crazy, berserk.
Then I'm going in with my Lorac California Dreamin' palette in shade Ray for contour.
Burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
Next I'm taking the Fenty Beauty highlighting brush and the Pirates of the Caribbean palette by Lorac and using shade Star Reader, which is like the dirty gold shade on the bottom.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
I'm taking a small packing brush and just using Star Reader on the inner corner and brow bone. Next I'm using my Kiko Lasting Gel Liner and a liner brush to do a winged liner on this look.
It's murder.
Next I'm going to be doing mascara with the Tarte Maneater mascara.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder.
Then for lashes today, I'm really excited about this. These lashes are rumored to be better than Lily lashes, but retail at about $10 on eBay from a UK store or UK vendor. So I'm going to be using these for lashes today. I'll put the link in the description. They are Style Soul. These are supposed to be comparable to Lily Lashes' Miami set. This is the packaging. It's like a pretty sturdy plastic. You slide it open.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder.
I'm really impressed right now. These lashes applied really easily, like much easier than drugstore lashes, and they were only $10, so they pretty much cost as much, and they're supposed to be 100% mink, so right now I'm liking them. I'll see how I feel later on tonight. I'll probably update you in the next video of how these turned out. The last part of this look is a metallic, like electric blue, and it's a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in shade Electric Blue. And I'm going to put this on the waterline.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station.
Putting colors in your waterline, I don't know if you can see, but sometimes it can make a huge difference in your look. Then I'm taking Better Than Sex mascara on the lower lashes. I'm just going to take some Milani Make It Last and do a light spritz all over. I always like to press the spray into the skin with something after I spray my face because it makes your skin look more lifelike and less powdery. And this is it. Blue raspberry, sherbet, whatever you want to call this mixture of colors. I hope you liked it because I loved doing it. So like and comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. Bye!